Look at that. That is so cool. Oh, 2 of 70. What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is day 2 with the newest project. If you guys missed yesterday's video, go check that one out. We have got ourselves a 67 D200 4-door crew cab long bed truck. And this thing I have not stopped staring at since it was dropped off yesterday. But today we are gonna spend a little bit of time cleaning this baby up with the pressure washer, getting all this stuff. This thing has been sitting for quite some time. There is just tons of crap on the inside here. So today we're just gonna spend some time cleaning this baby up, getting rid of all that junk, getting a little bit more acclimated, talking about it just a little bit more, some plans. But check this out. Check this out. All 4 of these doors work, open. Now they're a little sticky, obviously, but yeah, they all work. Everything is here. Oh man, this thing, I've been staring at it, like I said, been staring at it since yesterday. So we're just gonna spend some time. Obviously somebody had plans to actually lower this thing, so they had cut out the section of the floor in the firewall. Looks like we have a little bit of floor issues going on right here. So we may have to do some floor maintenance, let's call it that. But anyway, we are gonna jump right into it, start cleaning, start getting some stuff out of here, and then we're gonna go to town with the pressure washer and see if we can't bring this thing back. I mean, this thing has just been sitting outside begging to get washed. So that is exactly what we are going to be doing today. It's also Allie's birthday, my wife Allie's birthday. So we're going to spend some time with her. So we're going to go ahead and knock this out and see what we can transform this thing into. From the looks of it, besides this grill and a couple other miscellaneous things right here, obviously we need to keep that, make sure that's in good shape. And then it looks like this is some type of manual. This might be the manual for the actual truck. That is super cool. I'm not really exactly sure, but it's seen better days, but we are still going to obviously put that off to the side and keep that baby. A lot of this stuff in here kind of looks like it was for the old engine. Look at this injector. This is cool. That's really cool, because obviously we got some fuel injector lines right here. I don't think we're going to be needing those. Looks like some type of yeah, that's the water pump, it looks like. But yeah, just a bunch of junk, but some really good stuff in here. These look like the headlight trim rings, which we are definitely going to want to save. But man, oh man, this is cool. Oh, and over here, I don't know what that is. We were going to open that up yesterday, but I was like, wait, we're going to save that for today. I'm not exactly sure what this is. Got that. Oh, fuel injector nozzle. Wow, take a look at this thing. This looks like a brand new injector. Now, for what? I don't really actually know. I don't know if that's for the original engine, but here we go. We got a part number on here. Huh. Well, if anyone is looking for a part number, 774-8863 fuel injector. American Bosch division. That is really, really cool. I feel like this needs to get, like, I don't know, like, this is a cool piece. This is a pretty cool decorative piece. I don't know, we might hang on to that. I'm not really sure. I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that know quite a bit more than I on this entire truck. So I do not mean to sound dumb, but obviously we know very little about these older trucks. We're still getting acquainted. So yeah, it looks like there is it's mostly engine parts in here. But anyway, we're gonna go through this thing. We're gonna get the vacuum out. We'll get the vacuum, get all this stuff cleaned out, save what we're gonna save. I just want to get the pressure washer out. This is really what I'm looking to do. So we're gonna go ahead, get through all that. If I find anything else interesting, I'll let you guys know. But we're gonna clean this out get to the good stuff. Looks much better already. Now, I'm slightly worried to pull this up. There's just, oh, ants. Ants everywhere. Oh, man, that is a lot of ants. You can kind of see this carpet, or yeah, I guess you could call it carpet. This section right here, man, just holding so much moisture. I bet you all inside that is just completely wet. Let's go check the other side, but already a big improvement just vacuuming it out. Didn't really find anything else too interesting. Oh yeah, there's ants everywhere. Ooh, yeah, there's a, whoo boy. Let's try not to disturb them until we're ready to spray that down with something. Maybe we'll try and do that. I know we got some ant spray here somewhere. Let's go try and find that. Get rid of those suckers before they spread to everywhere. But got her vacuumed out. But look at this dash. Look at this dash. Obviously it's got some cracks in the vinyl and stuff, but that is so cool. Super cool. Super cool. Ooh, look at here. Look at that. That is so cool. Oh, 2 of 70. Does that mean it's a 70? 1970? I guess so, right? Huh. Guess it's not a 67. Guess it's a 70. Maybe. I don't know. Alright. Carry on. Not that everything isn't cool on this thing, but take a look at this tailgate latch. This is cool. And still actually works. Still works. That is so cool. I love this tailgate. This tailgate, oh, gotta give her the old push in there. This tailgate is so cool. All right, we are ready to fire up the pressure washer and get this party officially started with getting this thing cleaned up. So one last look with the before. We are gonna get to work and give you guys the after. Ah, yeah. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. You're gonna make a mess. That is for sure. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Happy birthday! Say happy birthday, internet. Pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta figure out if I can get this black stuff off. Scrub? Yeah, it looks like...
Oh yeah, it comes off.
It's coming off. Man, it's looking... I hate green, but this green doesn't look bad at all. Probably just needs to be washed.
Like, yeah, you need like a rag.
Like a scrubber.
What's all the dark green? What is that?
I don't know. Somebody put that stuff on there. I'm not really sure. Kyle said we could get it off. I'm not really sure how. Yeah. Maybe like some solvents or something, but coming along good. See the inside?
Wow.
Oh wow.
A little leaky there.
Very wet inside there. There's ants all inside that carpet, like tons of them.
So weird. I'm sure like now that you've moved it, it might not. I like the step of it.
Yeah, so do I. It's cool.
Yeah.
Pretty solid.
Yeah.
But yeah, the bed's coming out pretty good. I really I like this. Yeah, like once the green comes off, yeah, I think it looks really cool. So it is the following day. Unfortunately, last night the skies decided to open up, started downpouring out of nowhere, so we kind of called it quits. But we've been back out here this morning a little bit, just giving her a little bit of a scrub down. But here she is, guys. It is coming along really good. Anybody that knows me knows that I am not really a huge fan of green whatsoever, but when this is actually wet, it looks super good. So all I'm doing right now is just taking some soap and water and just kind of scrubbing. Obviously, you can kind of see up here all this black stuff that really did not come out with the pressure washer. Pressure washer did a really good job, but it still needs to be scrubbed. And we could honestly probably spend about 3 to 4 days really cleaning this up. That's not really the point. We just want to get it a little bit better, knock off the ugly, and it is just coming along really nice. The roof just went from a 0 to at least a 6 or a 7. Again, this black stuff, I don't really have anything as far as like heavy duty stuff to spray down and then soap it up and stuff like that. We're really just using some generic stuff, but I think we're gonna go ahead and get some good products and really go at this again. But oh, I'm over here wondering what that noise is. The Peterbilt's leaking some water, but that's what we're actually getting to in the next video. So that's kind of what we're gonna jump to right now. I'm gonna go ahead and wash down a little bit more of this bed. You can see like the pressure washer missed a couple spots like that, but I'm gonna go ahead and just give this thing a quick yeah, sponge bath, and that'll be good, man. Man, it's already looking super good. Obviously the hood, that's what the hood looks like. my plan is not to paint this thing, guys. We're not really gonna get too crazy. We're gonna go ahead and get all that highlighter green crap off there. But man, it's looking good. We haven't really touched the bed. So we're just gonna wrap that up. Here's the tailgate. Ooh, that's my favorite part. My favorite part about this whole thing is the tailgate. And here is what everything looks like after it dries, after the first initial scrub down. Waited for it to dry because it definitely changes color when it dries. It gets a little bit more dull, a little bit more flat, obviously. I think what a lot of guys do is they actually like buff this paint. I have to talk to Kyle. I think Kyle already has a plan, but I think a lot of guys just buff this paint, and it kind of almost gives it like a little bit of a oiled look, not really like a gloss. Like, we're not gonna go put clear coat over this, I don't think. Again, this is all just speculation right now, but I think a lot of guys actually just buff this paint and it gives it a little bit of a deeper tone. But yeah, here it is after day one of cleaning. Probably needs quite a bit more. Obviously, we didn't really get the inside of the bed a whole lot. Inside still needs a little bit, but for now, it looks a ton better. And really why I did this is because when you're up here in the kitchen and you're looking at it sitting right here, you just can't stop looking at it. So why not make it look a little bit better? So knocked off a lot of sitting around crap. You can see right here, this is the stuff that still needs to kind of get scrubbed out, like right in here. But again, as of right now, looks really good. We're gonna get some better cleaning products and go back at it again, and especially the roof. I don't wanna do the roof without really getting something that can help me scrub this stuff out. We'll be here forever, so I think good products will help that. So that is it for today's video, guys. Appreciate you guys as always. Make sure you guys are subscribed, hit the like button, make sure you guys turn your notifications on. There will be more progress on this truck very soon. It's not gonna just sit over here and get forgot about. We're gonna be picking at it for sure. Tomorrow's video, we are getting back on the Peterbilt. So make sure you guys look forward to that. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. See ya.